Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate FaceTime on your iPhone iPad device. So if you want to activate FaceTime on your iPhone device, then you will have to watch this video completely so that you will be able to activate FaceTime on your iOS device. So now let's get started how you can activate FaceTime on your iPhone device. First of all, you need to open setting of your iPhone device. Then first of all, here you will have to make sure that you have signed in your Apple ID on your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it below. Then here you will find the option of FaceTime. You will have to just simply tap on that. Here is FaceTime, just tap on this. Then after that, here is the toggle FaceTime. Here you will have to turn on this toggle from here. Then after that, here you are seeing the option of number and Apple ID Gmail. Here you will have to make sure that the Apple ID Gmail and number both should be checked here. Then here you will have to go back and try to call on FaceTime. So in this way you can activate FaceTime on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.